The Van Ausdal building, now the offices of Kramer and Associates, is located at the northwest corner of Main and Barron Street. It was built 200 years ago, in 1822, by Cornelius Van Ausdal, and was often referred to as the first three-story building west of the Allegheny Mountains. Cornelius Van Ausdal was born in Virginia in 1783, but moved to Lanier Township, Preble County, in 1805. Here he took the first census of Preble County in 1810, worked as an assistant paymaster in the U.S. Army during the War of 1812, and in 1819 represented Preble County in the legislature. Van Ausdal constructed his three-story brick wonder to replace Preble County's first store, also founded by him, from its original size and location. The original store was a log cabin located about 700 feet east on the north side of East Main Street, and a mural of Van Ausdal's original store currently hangs in the Eaton Post Office, right across the street from the Van Ausdal building's current location. Van Ausdal did not choose his placement by accident, but instead created a genius design. On the first floor would be his store, the second his residence, and the third for storage or expansion. The store continued to operate until after the Civil War, where it was later used as a bank and tavern building. Here at the Preble County Historical Society, we invite you to take a look at some objects from the Van Ausdals, which we're fortunate to have, including a portrait of Cornelius and a piano from the family. These objects are both located in the music room of the Slayer Swartzel House on our property.